Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to copy one slide from Google Slide to another Google Slide. So I will show you in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So here I'm going to show you how you can copy it and how you can paste it. So I want to copy this slide to another presentation in Google Slide. So I have already opened one slide here. Okay, one Google slide here, so I'm going to again open the another one. Okay, to show you. I take some presentation for example. Okay, this thing. Okay. Okay, I have two presentation you can see, and here I have only one side, so I just add another slides. Okay, so I want to copy these slides between the 3 and 4, so I want to make it number 4. So I just go to the slide, just click on the right, go to the copy, and just you have to select this blue line. Okay, just click between the slide and just click Control and V. Then this copy will be copy here and keep it original style. Okay, so this the slide has been copied, you can see. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.